Hey everybody, welcome to Apex Syndicates. All right, I made a video on this project a few weeks back and it is getting ready to launch. They're actually in their pre-sale phases right now and I am incredibly bullish on it because there is not another project in crypto basically covering this niche and making this user-friendly. So what am I talking about? Well, I'm actually talking about a project that goes by the name of deOTC, or decentralized OTC, or deOTC, however you want to pronounce it, but it's decentralized OTC. And what does OTC mean? Well, it means basically peer-to-peer trading for tokens, right? Not using exchanges. That means you can eliminate price impact. You can buy tokens off of developers or whales without affecting the chart. And this is actually incredibly important. I actually do OTC deals a lot. I actually just bought $5,000 in a project through OTC, but there is no real platform right now that you can use that protects both parties. It's a trust thing. So I had to send the $5,000 in stable coins to a developer, and then the developer sent me the tokens. But basically it's all trust. And what decentralized OTC is going to do is that they are a escrow, kind of, if you want to put it into words. And they're going to take a fee, roughly 3% fee, which means there's going to be revenue for the token holders and stakers and the NFT holders, creating a really strong, stable, utility-based ecosystem. And like I said, there's really nothing out there like decentralized OTC. In my opinion, I've been in crypto for many years, and I've never seen anything that really tacks on and touches on all of the different things that decentralized OTC is doing. So I highly recommend that you come over here and check out their platform, because this is not financial advice. Do your own research and do your own due diligence. I'm just telling you what I see, what I feel, what I think, and what I'm personally investing in. I personally bought 5 of their NFTs. You could buy up to 5 NFTs per wallet, and you can actually invest in their pre-sale. The only way to buy the tokens in their pre-sale is right now by purchasing an NFT, which each NFT costs $200. I'll get into that in a few minutes and show you, but I just want to kind of give you an idea of why I think that this project is going to be such a big success. One is the people that are behind it. They're doxed. There's a lot of big industry leaders. There's a lot of OGs that have been in the space for many years, that are part of the SHIB community. They're partnering with really big projects and communities. And basically that's what it takes in crypto, is to create an ecosystem. Crypto is one of those things where I always tell people it's kind of not what you know, it's who you know. And if you have the right people involved into a project, you're going to get recognized, you're going to get noticed. And the fact that decentralized OTC is actually tapping into a true utility that people need, it's going to be amazing. And like I said, I don't know the exact numbers, but I do know that there will be some revenue share. There's going to be different benefits for holding the NFTs, as far as like different fees. So like if you do a lot of OTC deals and you hold the different levels of NFTs, you're going to basically be able to get benefits. So let me kind of come over to their NFT page here, and I just want to show you right now they have sold 302 NFTs. So it's super simple. You come over to their NFT page. You can come over here. You can pick how many NFTs you want to buy, whether it's 2, 3, 4, or 5. You hit purchase, and that's it. And right now they have remaining NFTs. They have 363 bronze. They have basically 245 silver. And they have 83 gold and 7 legendaries. So I was lucky enough to get 2 silvers and 3 bronze. And like I said, I utilize that because each of these NFTs will give you a certain amount of tokens that you can actually buy. I actually ended up buying 1 full Ethereum in tokens. That was what I was able to do. I went over here. Once you have the NFTs in your wallet, you can kind of come over here to their pre-sale page. You connect your wallet and it will verify. You can connect your wallet to their page. You can hit max, select all, max, and you can buy the tokens. Now, The thing I wanted to mention is that there's only going to be 340 million tokens available on their pre-sale. So this is actually really, really, really amazing. It's a great opportunity. As you can see here, for full transparency, I purchased 5,950,000 tokens. That's what I purchased right here. So you can, full transparency, that's what I bought through my account, because I really see the potential for this. I think that this project is going to be truly tapping into something, like I said, something that is needed in the space, something that is going to provide utility for so many projects. And the price, and the fact that they're going to be lowering the price impact, because a lot of times, you know, you try to sell $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 in tokens, especially in these lower market cap type projects. And sometimes there's a 15, 18, 20% price impact on lower market cap coins. And through this platform, you can actually sell your tokens for a flat 3% fee. And I think that that's absolutely amazing. Now, from my understanding, now, like I said, don't quote me on this, but from my actual understanding, there is going to be some form of rev share through the NFTs and token staking. So if you have NFTs and you stake tokens, some of that 3%, from my understanding, will be going back into the ecosystem and to, like, for staking rewards and different things like that. So it truly is a good utility project with real use case. Like I said, but I would highly, highly recommend come over to their X account, get involved, listen to some of their spaces, see what some of the stuff they're talking about, get involved, check out some of their different partners and the different people that they're partnering up with. And like I said, they really are, they're hitting the space and they're really marketing and getting out there and working on getting exposure. Like I said, they're on TikTok. They've already got 3,400 followers. They're making videos. They're really pushing and engaging with people. So, I mean, that's fantastic. And they're also working on a lot of partnerships. So this was another one with Rift, is another platform which just had huge industry leaders. You know, basically Jaden here, if you can kind of go and you can read about him, go over to LinkedIn. And these guys, and, you know, Paul, and all of these guys are complete OGs in the crypto space and in the crypto world. So I would highly recommend you kind of read about what Rift is, what it is they're doing, but they're, you know, they're simplifying complicated problems for developers. It's kind of, just to put it into a simplified nutshell, it really is a quite in-depth project. I'd highly recommend checking out Rift as well. It's definitely something that you might want to take a look at, but it's an interesting project. I actually might make a video on them in the future, but like I said, they're going to be, you know, decentralized OTC is going to be working with these guys. And I think that's going to bring a lot of exposure. And like I said, once again, I go back, I digress. And I'm talking about that the founder and developer of this has huge connections into the SHIB community, right? So there's a lot of SHIB whales. And like I said, once again, if you have people that are going to want to start to sell and do things, they can do a lot of these OTC deals through this platform. And there's just going to be so much exposure and so much money flowing into decentralized OTC. I see it, I feel it, and that's why I'm investing in it. That's why I'm getting in early on the ground floor. That's why I've purchased 5 of their NFTs. I've invested over an ethereum into their private sale or their public sale that you can only access through their NFTs. So check it out, see if you see what I see. But I'm incredibly bullish on this project. I really think it's going to be a big win for this bull run and the years and years to come. So that's why I'm loading up. I'm getting involved because I'm just looking for narratives and I'm looking for projects that are solving needs and that can actually bring true utility and generate wealth for investors. And that's what I see when I look at this. So everybody, I would love to hear your thoughts on deOTC. Let me know what you think about it. Leave some comments below. Let me know what you think about this project. But for me, I'm incredibly bullish. So everybody, I do hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on that bell notification. Go over and follow me on X. It doesn't cost you anything. No risk, all reward. And if you want to take it to that next level, join my free Telegram chat, okay? It's an amazing community over there on Telegram. We would love to have you over there. And if you really want to take it to that next level, join my VIP Telegram chat. Great community, great place to be, great place to hang out, great opportunity. So everybody, have a great day. Don't forget to smile. Pick up some deOTC or decentralized OTC, and I'm pretty sure we'll see you on the moon. Take care, everybody. Don't forget to smile.